Have you been pestered by letters about an Equifax code? Ever get that sinking feeling when you see an official-looking envelope addressed to you? You rip it open, heart-pounding, and it's about your credit? Don't worry, it's not necessarily bad news. In fact, it could be a free service to help protect you from identity theft. These letters often come from Equifax, one of the 3 major credit bureaus in the U.S. They might mention a data breach or offer you free credit monitoring. But what exactly is this code they keep talking about, and how do you use it? In this video, we'll crack the code on Equifax activation codes, explain what they're for, and walk you through the simple steps to set up your free credit monitoring service. Let's rewind a bit. Why is Equifax sending you this code? Chances are, you've been impacted by a data breach. Data breaches are unfortunately common these days, and they happen when a company experiences a security leak that exposes customer information. Equifax itself has been involved in a few major breaches in the past, affecting millions of people. As a result of a data breach, Equifax might be offering you free credit monitoring. This is a service that tracks your credit report for suspicious activity, like someone trying to open new accounts in your name. It can be a valuable tool to catch identity theft early and minimize the damage. The code in your letter is your key to unlocking this free credit monitoring service. Now, here's the good news. Using the code is actually quite simple. First things first, find that letter. Equifax will typically send the letter to your last known address. It will include important information, like your unique activation code and instructions on how to get started. If you can't find the physical letter, don't panic. You can likely activate your service online by searching for Equifax Activate or visiting their website directly. Once you've located your code or reached the activation page, you'll be asked to enter some basic information to verify your identity. This might include your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Security tip: be cautious about entering your personal information online. Make sure you're on the official Equifax website, equifax.com, before submitting any details. After verifying your identity, you'll be prompted to create a username and password for your account. Choose a strong password that you don't use for any other online accounts. And that's it. You've successfully activated your free credit monitoring service with Equifax. Now, let's talk about what you can do with your new account. Typically, you'll be able to access your credit report for free through your Equifax account. This report details your credit history, including loans, credit cards, and any public records. It's important to review your report regularly for any inaccuracies, which could potentially harm your credit score. Equifax's credit monitoring service will also typically send you alerts if there's any suspicious activity on your report. This could be anything from a new credit card application to a change in your address. Here's the key takeaway: using your Equifax activation code can be a smart way to take control of your credit and protect yourself from identity theft. It's a free service, and it only takes a few minutes to set up. Remember, even if you haven't been impacted by a data breach, it's always a good idea to be proactive about your credit health. Consider signing up for free credit monitoring services offered by all 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. This way, you'll get a more comprehensive view of your credit activity. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.